Hello, today I'm going to show you how to upload audio to Roblox from a phone. Let's start. First of all, open the web browser. Search here roblox.com. Then tap to continue in the browser. Enter your login details to get into your Roblox account. Again, tap to continue in the browser. Here, click on Create from the top menu bar. Then click on Menu from the top left corner and go into Dashboard. From your dashboard, tap on Development Items and go into Audio. Then click to Upload Asset. Click on Upload and go into Files. Scroll down in Files and select the audio you want to upload. Now tap to upload the audio asset. If it's not able to get uploaded, scroll up and tap on Remove. Then try to upload again. Click on Upload and go into Files to choose the audio. Now click to upload it. It's showing the same error. Anyway, that's the way to upload audio to Roblox from the phone. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.